Hey all, Aaron with Switch. Listen, we've got a big announcement that we wanted to make today I'm really excited about. Most of us know that for the month of October, it's breast cancer awareness. And at Switch, what we've done is we've created a sock to go with the month. This pink sock, the Scooter Pink, is going on sale on the website today. The thing that I'm most excited about is that all of the profits generated from not only this sock, but our Pink Classic and our Pink Skinny are going to go to a family that we've identified that is in need of some financial help. Our goal is to sell 1,100 pair of these socks in the month of October. What we need from you is your help in this cause. We need you to go and get these socks. We need you to share this video with your friends, with everybody that's your acquaintance on social media, with your companies, with your teams, with any organization that you're a part of that wants to be a part of this movement. Again, all profits that we generate for the month of October are going to go to this family who is unfortunately fighting this devastating disease. Remember, there's so much that all of us can do. Don't settle, switch.